Okay, today's video we're going to be replacing the header seal, header gasket above the windshield that when the soft top or hard top roof is on, it makes a seal. A lot of times it leaks. In my case, it's a lot of wind coming through there. Over time they deteriorate, and it's not that hard to replace. There's going to be a rivet here. You just drill out the rivet here, and same thing on the other side. And you're going to peel it up. You see that? And you're going to just take the whole thing off. And there's going to be a strip of glue. You take the glue off. You can use anything to get it off. Brake cleaner or, a solvent. Make sure you don't ruin the paint. Don't use a razor. And you take that off. And I'll show you how to install a new one. And if you want the part number for this header gasket, it's 55397454 NAN-001. Okay, what you're going to need to do, and you're going to need a pop rivet gun and some pop rivets. Okay, you're going to take a punch and pop the old drilled out rivet, and then you're going to need one that goes in there nice and snug. And you see, this is what it removed. This glue over here, you just got to soften it up and take all this glue off all the way around. Clean it up nice and dry, maybe Windex it so it doesn't have any residue. And then install on the other gasket is very simple, and I'm going to show that next. Okay, so when you put the new seal on, make sure you clean off, like I said, all the adhesive. That took me about a good half hour. You want to get it all off, and you want to make sure it's nice and dry. And, clean it with some little soap and water. Make sure it's nice and dry. And you just push it in, and on the corners over here, you're going to see where you're going to put the new pop rivet. And let me lift this up. I didn't, all right, you see over here? I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive here, or butyl, that to use on the windshield to make a nice good seal. And then you see over here, it has to go, it's like a little slot right here that has to go right here. And it just slides in like that. And once I put the butyl on there, I'll put the pop rivet there and do the same thing on the other side, and you're done. Nice, it's a little bit above, has nice fresh seal, and I won't get any air. It was like severe air, wind noise coming from the top. And then once you have that done, you get your red tape and you peel it back as you go this way, because right now it's not taped down, because you wanted to make sure it's centered and it's hanging over the sides the proper ways. And then you just peel the tape. And as you're peeling it, you push it down all the way to the other end, and you're done. All right, guys, Motorcarnut 2020. Please subscribe. Any comments, just leave them in the bottom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.